हिंदी में चेक करना है, हिंदी में चेक करना है कि क्लास में चेक करना है? My question to you is this: you want to check only in Hindi that who is the topper?
For us, it was given that we have to check the highest number of marks and the lowest marks in each subject.
In each subject, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So the highest and the lowest can be done by a min-max also, right?
I'm not aware of that function, but
Okay.
I
It's
did.
very simple. It's
okay.
very simple. It's very simple. So is equal to minimum. Is equal
Okay.
to minimum, and you select the range. आप पूरा range select कर दीजिए,
Okay.
तो आपको minimum marks मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है? And similarly, if I go and copy paste it here, I get minimum in Hindi also. And same is the formula for maximum, max, and so and you select the range, and you get this answers.
Actually, we had to highlight those cells.
So if you want to highlight it, so you use conditional formatting for that.
Exactly. Yeah.
So conditional formatting can be done. So if you want to do, say, for top 10 items, you know, so you can use this conditional. These are the various factors. Now I'm going to explain you as I go ahead, right? So we are going to do various cases. I'm going to explain you. I think at that time your answer, your question will be answered. Right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and we'll take the next one, that is for the invoice. So I have made one sample invoice. If you can see my screen, I've created a sample invoice for a company. Okay, it's a very basic sample Excel invoice that I've created. If you see from the top, what I've done, I'll zoom in a little bit. What I've done, obviously, in India, you see many tax invoices will have something written in Hindi. So I've just added that, and then I've written tax invoice. Now these are just to improve and make the whole invoice better, right? So this is merging the cells and trying to write it here. Then I've written the name of the company. This is a oil company or a commercial liquid company, hence I put my logo. This is my logo. You can obviously put your logo also. So to show you how to put a logo or any image, there is a simple option here in insert. You can go and insert on the top, and there is an option of pictures. If you click on pictures, it will ask you if you want any stock device. Stock device is basically from stock images means internal images of Excel. But if you want to take it from your device, you can select this device, that is your device, and system is going to ask you which image. You can browse your image, and if you want to put the logo, you can obviously put your logo also. I'm assuming these are basic features. This will help you reduce the size, you know, and I'll replace this logo with this. Right? So this gets placed here. Rest of the things are completely locked, and I've kept it, you know. Now I'm going to make this invoice workable with this condition, with the if condition, that if the buyer and the seller both are from Maharashtra, obviously the CGST, SGST should work. And if the buyer or seller दूसरे state से है, तो obviously SGST, CGST should not work and only IGST should work, right? This is an if condition that we're using. Now this is slightly deeper, okay, and hence I wanted you to do this as an activity, right? So straight away I'll jump in. I will put a product here. I will put, say, Castrol oil. I'm just putting some random names. Okay, what packets? Say 100 packets. Let's assume every packet has 1.5 liters. So I will use a simple formula here. 100 multiplied by 1.5. Why? Because every packet is of 1.5 liters, right? I'll put enter, so I get this formula. So with 100 packets, I have about 150 liters. What is the rate per liter? Let's take 75 rupees. So I put 75 as a rate, right? And then comes the amount. Amount is nothing but the rate into liters, right? I've made it very simple. So I'll just take a self reference. मैं यहाँ पे cell reference लूँगा जहाँ पे rate को मैं multiply करूँगा with liters. So rate multiply by liters. This gives me my amount. Okay. Now, if you very carefully see, I have kept both the states as Maharashtra. So buyer is also from Maharashtra, seller is also from Maharashtra. Very simple. I'll show you what I've done here. In total quantity, I've used obviously a very simple sum formula. मैंने यहाँ पे एक sum formula use कर दिया है, जहाँ पे ये sum कर लेगा, right? Similar, this is also a sum formula that I've used. It will sum. So if I add anything below, let's assume 250 packets, right? This becomes 350 here. So obviously this is complete automation that I'm trying to do here, right? Now the whole point here is, if I want to put, if I want to put certain GST here, right? So a very simple formula to a GST formula here is that I'm going to put is equal to 11,250 is the total amount. I'll select the cell, multiply by 9%, right? I'll click 9% और यहाँ पे मेरे को मेरा SGST मिल जाएगा. Similarly, I'll put for CGST, that is 9%, right? Right. So now I know 11,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000 is my grand total. That's my next formula. So I'll use a sum, simple sum formula, and I'm going to take this complete range and I'll put end. This gives me my result, right? But the question here was, what happens when the state changes? I want SGST and CGST to become 0 and IGST to be 18%, right? So there is an if condition. So today what we're going to learn majorly is the if condition, and it plays a very important role when you analyze data. Okay? What exactly is the if condition? So if is a formula wherein you just have to type in is equal to and just type in if. Now when you type if, as I said yesterday, जब मैंने आपको कल explain किया, जब भी आपको कोई formula लिखना है, you have to start with is equal to and write the if. If is nothing but हम जो भी बोलते हैं हिंदी में, अगर ऐसा हुआ तो. So my question here is, I'll repeat in Hindi. मेरा question ये है, अगर buyer और seller states different है, तो मेरा GST pattern change हो जाएगा, right? This I want to automate. ये मुझे automate करना है. So we'll go ahead and I'll try to explain you the if conditions now, right? So if formula is very easy. If formula, if I go in fx at the top, it will ask me certain things. I just have to fill these things, right? And I'll be able to get my answers. So first thing in if is to logical test. What do I want to test, right? So what test ka condition I will put, and if it's true, what should be the action? If it is false, what should be the action, right? Probably many of you will not understand. आप लोगों को ये नहीं समझेगा, but probably when I take this example, you will be able to understand and judge this better, right? So let's do this activity again, right? Understand both the states are same. So the condition should be, right? Cell number J14 should match with J15, right? If I do this, obviously it is matching, right? If I change this state to Tamil Nadu, this will change to false, right? So this condition is working fine. Now let's put this condition inside the formula, right? So I'll change this back to Maharashtra to make the case simple, and then we'll complicate it further, right? So यहाँ पे I want a if formula that if both the states are same, right? Please apply 9% or else put 0. That's the whole case. So I'm going to put a simple if formula is equal to if, open bracket, and I'm going to go in fx. Okay, fx, when I click on fx, it is on the formula bar. It gives me 3 things that I need to fill in. What's the logical test? Logical test is very simple. What is the condition you want to test? I want to test that this if is equal to this, right? अगर true है, if it is true, right, then please multiply this with 9%, and if it is false, make it 0. Simple. I'll just click here and I'll see, and you get the answer, right? I will change this to Tamil Nadu. If I change this to Tamil Nadu or any other state, right, it should be 0. That was our condition. So I'll change this to Tamil Nadu. What happens at the bottom? It goes back to 0. Right, so this condition is working fine now. For now, this is working fine. Right, I'll go again, I'll create this, I'll do this activity again for CGST. If you're not able to understand this, please hear this out again. Right, is equal to if अगर, if का मतलब होता है हिंदी में अगर, right, if I go to fx, what is the logical test? Logical test ये करना है अगर मेरा महाराष्ट्र, both the states are same, both the cells, both the content जो भी लिखा है मैंने वो सेल में, अगर दोनों मैच होता है तो मुझे 9% के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करिए या तो मल्टीप्लाई मत करिए, keep it 0, right? So I'll do this again, is equal to this cell is equal to this cell, right? अगर ये true है, so please multiply my taxable amount by 9% or else put it 0. ठीक है? If I click here, it's going to show me 0 because my states are different. Now I'll change the state to Maharashtra. Let's see what happens below. It's working fine. Right? There are a few questions. I'll take the questions after I complete the last one. Okay, now the last one is, what happens with the IGST? Now IGST works when the states are different, right? So what I'll do, I'll change the state. I'll change this to say Karnataka, right? Obviously CGST, SGST will not work, but we want IGST to work here. So my condition here will be, if open bracket formula, if this, okay, is not equal, okay, not equal. So this is the formula, this is the operator for not equal to, right? Generally हम लोग ने बचपन में देखा होगा, not equal to is equal to and the slash on that is equal to, but in Excel, two open brackets, two open operators, the smaller one with the greater one is not equal to. So if this is not equal to this, then we are going to put this formula, this multiply by 18%, right? And if it is false, make it 0. So now this thing will work consistently. Okay, I'll just unzoom it for you so that you can see. So what I've done is I've kept Maharashtra and Karnataka, two states. These are different states, so obviously SGST, CGST should not function, but IGST should function. Hence, it is working fine. The grand total is working fine. The grand total is nothing but a summation of the amount and all the GSTs. Okay. Now I will change this seller state to Maharashtra, so that let's check in reality whether it's working fine or not. It is working fine, right? So now this Excel invoice is getting automated. It's easier now, right? There are a few questions here. I'll take those questions first. Yes. So there is this two similar questions by Yatindra Dubey and Swarakshi Escape. Okay. So the question is, how did your grand total come in words, G? So this is slightly an advanced Excel that I've used here. ठीक है, ये advanced Excel है, which is not getting covered. To make this work, I had to write a code. ठीक है, this is a lot of code that we have written. It's called a VBA code, Visual Basic Coding बोलते हैं इसको. इसके पीछे हमने code लिखा है, बहुत सारे code लिखे हैं. If I want to just show you how the code looks, you will get confused. I'll just show it to you, but this is not relevant at this stage for any one of you. Okay, so I'll just click and I'll show you. This is the code that I've written in the backend. Okay, this is a live invoice. Okay, I've created it for someone. It is a live invoice. People are using this invoice. So यहाँ पे मैंने code लिखा है. I cannot, मैं इसको zoom नहीं कर पाऊंगा ज़्यादा because there is no feature for that. So for everything we have created a code, every line, so every letter, every word is read, and hence it is showing this result here, right? So rupees 13,275 only is basically is reading each and every number in this cell, और वो उसको यहाँ पे display कर रहा है, right? It's an advanced Excel. We have written code for each and every letter, each and every number in that cell, right? इसलिए वो दिख रहा है. Rajiv Rathod says, sir, please explain in detail in filters. Yes, I will explain when we take up the case, the next case, right? How can you define a product is taxable or non-taxable? Vivek, I didn't understand this question. I'll take you, and you probably you can explain me better. Vivek, if you can hear me.
हेलो.
Yes, Vivek. Good evening. आपका क्या question था?
सर भी ये अमाउंट है ना, वो डायरेक्ट टैक्सेबल अमाउंट में आएगी, तो अगर नॉन टैक्सेबल प्रोडक्ट होगा तो
just think about it. Just think about it.
ओके सर.
आप नहीं आप मेरे को बोलिए अभी कि what will you do?
अभी यहाँ अगर नॉन टैक्सेबल प्रोडक्ट होता तो तब टैक्स नहीं लगना चाहिए ना.
करेक्ट है.
हाँ,
सही बात है.
वो डायरेक्ट ग्रॉस में आके वो नीचे टोटल में ग्रॉस अमाउंट आना चाहिए.
एब्सोल्युटली
ग्रैंड टोटल.
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. तो चलो ये वाला केस भी अपन सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? सो यहाँ पे मैं एक सेल में इसको चेंज कर रहा हूँ जस्ट फॉर नाउ, टैक्सेबल स्लैश नॉन टैक्सेबल, करेक्ट? मैंने इसको चेंज कर दिया है. इस केस को लेते हैं ये टैक्सेबल, ठीक है? नाउ इट इज फाइन.
यस,
दिस केस इज फाइन. द प्रॉब्लम इज व्हेन इट इज नॉन टैक्सेबल. अगर ये नॉन टैक्सेबल है तो दिस शुड बिकम जीरो बाय डिफॉल्ट, राइट?
यस,
हैज टू बी जीरो. इसको बोलते हैं नेस्टेड इफ, which I'm anyways going to explain now. इसके बाद, ठीक है? Apart from this, just Vivek, just if you can hold here. Apart from this, are there any other questions that needs to be addressed? Beena Nair says, if I have a data birthday which is entered in numbers and I want to format it, yes, I'll show you in few of the cases, ma'am. These things will be done. Sir, can you explain IGST once again? Yes, I will do that. There are some hands raised. Probably we'll take this later. Okay. So I'll explain the IGST part and then we'll take the case what was asked to us, right? IGST is very simple. Condition क्या है? So Excel is more like forming statements in English. अगर आपने English में उसको सही format में माइंड में सोच लिया है, दैट टाइप करना बहुत ही इजी है. सो इफ यू नोटिस, मैं जो भी फॉर्मूला लिख रहा हूँ, मैं आपके साथ बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, इन रियलिटी मैं ऐसे ही करता हूँ. पीपल हु हैव वर्कड विद मी, दे नो इफ आई एम राइटिंग अ फॉर्मूला, आई टॉक. सो आई एडवाइज दिस कि व्हेनेवर यू आर राइटिंग अ फॉर्मूला, वेदर यू आर अलोन और विद समवन, यू टॉक, यू स्पीक आउट. अगर आप स्पीक करोगे तो ऑटो इन इंग्लिश, ऑब्वियसली इंग्लिश में आप बोलोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल गेट द फॉर्मूला, बिकॉज Excel as a program is created with natural language interface. It's called NLI, right? So जितना भी natural language आप use करोगे, automatic उसका formula 99% होगा, right? So I'll explain you the IGST formula again. IGST formula is very simple. My condition, मेरी condition क्या है? मेरी condition ये है कि both the states should not be equal, right? If both the states are not equal, it should display, the formula should work. So it's very simple. मैंने क्या किया? I've written a formula is equal to if open bracket and then I go to fx, right? I'll go to fx. Logical test क्या है? Logical test ये है कि दोनों states match नहीं होने चाहिए, right? नहीं होंगे तो ये formula चलना चाहिए, right? So let's go there. I'll select the cell, okay? I'll select the cell. यहाँ पे मैंने select किया J14 not equal to, this is the sign for not equal to, okay? Not equal to this state, right? तो next step क्या है? This is my condition. ये condition को अभी system test करेगा. अगर true है, if this condition is true, तो क्या होगा? अगर ये condition true है, so I will put this formula. Formula, a simple multiplication formula. This cell will get multiplied with 18%, right? And if this is false, if this condition is false, 0. Yeah, आपको true or false के साथ play around करना है. You understand the condition. If the condition works, what is the true condition? What is the false condition? Right? I click OK. In this case, this is a false condition. Hence, it is 0. I'll change this. And यहाँ पे ऊपर वाले deactivate हो जाएंगे. CGST, SGST, and IGST will go. Right? Now we'll go slightly complicated. This is if condition, right? We'll go slightly more deeper. It's called nested if. When I say nested if, का मतलब ये होता है if के अंदर if. Okay? So before I'm going more deeper with multiple ifs, I would like to understand anyone who has really not understood this if condition. If no, please raise your hand. Probably I'll be able to answer your question. Anyone who has not understood the if condition, because the next one which I'm going to explain is slightly complicated. That is one if inside other if. मतलब एक if के अंदर दूसरा if क्या है, right? So any questions that you have, if you don't understand this if, we will not be able to go ahead, right? If there is anyone who would like to ask me question or understand this more in detail, we will be able to do it. Parag. Yeah, Parag. Parag, you'll have to unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, I was asking that how did you add the rupees symbol?
Okay. Rupees is very simple. It's on the home page. On the home tab. Okay, I'll just put a number here first. Okay, this is 100. Okay. अगर आपको पराग इसको रुपीज में करना है कन्वर्ट, सो यहाँ पे टॉप में बिलो जनरल देयर इज दिस बटन फॉर अकाउंटिंग, राइट? अकाउंटिंग में अगर आप जाओगे तो मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस देंगे, राइट? इट कैन बी इंग्लिश इंडिया, इट कैन बी डॉलर इंग्लिश यूएसए, यूरोज इंग्लिश, सॉरी पाउंड इंग्लिश यूके, यूरो, and all the symbols are there. If you're not able to see INR or the rupee symbol, and if you're using the latest Excel, if you're not able to see, please change your region. Okay? So I'll just do this first. So Parag, are you able to see now the rupees?
Yes, yes.
Right? So many people might be thinking that I'm not able to see the rupee symbol. Rupee symbol इसलिए नहीं देख पा रहे हो, शायद आपका Excel पुराना है. As I said, as I told yesterday, that the older version Excels are moving out, so there will be no new upgrades. The latest one will have these upgrades. And if you have the latest one still not able to see, there is an option in Windows, not in Excel. There is an option in Windows. And you type region, right? If you just type region in your Windows, over here you just have to change your country. By default, unfortunately, the